Hey, I'm Tommy Pike from Tommy Pike Customs, and as a business owner in the automotive industry, I know firsthand the importance of regular vehicle maintenance. And the more vehicles you have, the harder it is to keep up with them. Time is money in any business, and if one of your vehicles is out of service, money is just slipping away. With the right maintenance program, you can save time and money. The folks at Shell and I know how much money and time a company can save today, and in the long run by properly managing fleet vehicle maintenance. With the Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub, Shell has handled all the legwork and negotiating for you. Well, for us in that fact. By using the hub, you benefit by easily managing the maintenance of all your vehicles while receiving savings off of retail pricing. More than 25,000 shops are in the Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub network and offer Shell products. Like me, these shops in the network like and trust the quality of products offered, and they rely on exceptional customer service for their fleet customers. It really is as easy as 1, 2, 3 to use the Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub. Number 1, enroll your vehicles. Number 2, schedule your maintenance. Number 3, pay for your services and track your expenses online. So reach out to my partners with Shell Fleet Maintenance Hub and tell them I sent you. Thank you and have a safe day.